Hello, we're here with Mill Creek Family Farms AKC Champion Line Cockapoos with Lily and John Wayne's 4.5-week-old litter. They're doing great, growing fast, just started on solid food, just starting to play, just figuring out how to bark. They are doing wonderful. We are in the process of families selecting their puppies right now, and this little boy was has been chosen. This is Kevin right here. Let me see if I can get him for you. Hey, Kevin. Hey, Kevin. Hey, Kevin. Hi, buddy boy. There's Mr. Kevin, and here's Blue, and Mr. Green. And over here is the one that in the pictures we call White Chin. He's over there trying to figure out the toys. He has just a few white hairs on his chin and otherwise is solid black. Where Blue and Green, Green's collar's falling off. Where Blue and Green, both, we say it's almost like they wanted to be phantom, and they are continuing to have some tan show up on their body, around their feet, on their chest, kind of everywhere you would see phantom coloring. They're getting a little bit of tan. And I had been saying they didn't have any on their eyebrows, and that was kind of confusing me, but as I look, just today, actually, they do have a couple of light colored hairs right on their eyebrows. So we will continue to watch what happens with these two boys. That's Green over there. Lost his ribbon. So those are the two that have some color on them. And then here, can we get you? Can we get you, buddy? You got some food on your face. You can see he's got just a few white hairs on his chin. So he's the one in the pictures called White Chin. So they are doing so good. The big barking that you hear is Rebecca still has two puppies here that are waiting. Both of their families were on vacation this weekend. So we still have two of her puppies here. These puppies will be ready to go home June 27th, and we actually have a really unique situation, one that has not happened for us before, in that we actually have a puppy available from this litter. I'm going to try and see if I can one-handed get his ribbon on so you can tell who he is. We have a puppy available from this litter, which has never happened with us before. They have always been sold and had homes in advance of being born, and actually in advance of even being bred. So this is quite a unique situation for our program to have a 4-week-old available. So it's quite the opportunity for a family who doesn't want to wait on the waiting list but wants to get a puppy this summer. I'll be able to tell you this week specifically which of these three boys it will be, but as you can see, they're very similar personalities. All come from wonderful, wonderful AKC Champion lines with 150 AKC Champions on their pedigree that'll go home with them. Mama Lily has 96 Champion Cocker Spaniels behind her on her 6th generation pedigree, and Daddy John Wayne has 54 AKC Champion Poodles on his pedigree with 34 top producers. So these are very, very, very high quality F1 puppies. So if you are somebody who's wanting a puppy this summer, this is your opportunity. Ready to go home June 27th. We have a waiting list, and usually we would just start going through that. But everybody on our waiting list that's waiting for a male cannot take a puppy till later this summer for different reasons. the person that was going to take one of these puppies has been waiting for quite a while, but had something come up to where they had a change in their home and can't take a puppy now. So one of these boys is available. And then for Harry and Lois and for the Hansons, hopefully you can get a little bit of an idea of in there playing around, maybe which male you want to take home with you. These puppies will come with their puppy pack, with their American Cockapoo Club registration, with their pedigree showing 150 AKC champions. They'll have their first shot for distemper and parvo. They'll have 3 preventative dewormings. They'll have a vet check, a health certificate from the vet issued by the state, and their health record that you can take to your vet and show them everything that's been done. They have a very good start on potty training. We work with them from the time they are 2 weeks old and their eyes open. And they are doing awesome. I'd say probably going potty in their litter box, I'd say probably 95% of the time. So they are just doing great, and we are hopefully just setting them up for lots of success in their homes to do just a great job. So there's Lily and John Wayne's boys. Doing great. There's Kevin again for his family. And then Blue, Green, and Mr. White Chin for our other families to look at. And if you're interested in taking one of these babies home, I'll link to our website down below and our Facebook page. But it's www.millcreekfamilyfarms.com, or you can call us anytime at 660-254-1500. We're mowing hay today, so we're not always in signal, but we will call you back. So you leave us a message or try us again. And we love to talk about our puppies. So, okay, Mr. Blue, you got your tag off now. Yes, you did. All right. We will talk to you guys later. Bye, babies.